This is not live. It's like an hour ago, I guess. 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. It's Tuesday, October 29th. Bitcoin has just tagged 73K, more or less. This chart's at 72,978. Wow. So I guess this is happening. Or is it? Let's take a look at the charts, y'all. Let's just take a look at the chart, okay? Because I don't want to be like a pessimist. I'm not going to be a bear either. Just looking at the moving average alone. Let's settle down here. Settle down. I mean, we're so far above it, guys. There has to be, at some point. So that's the point of these averages, to kind of show you that you got to kind of regress back to the mean. That's one of the reasons. Another reason is just to see if you're in an uptrend or not. Uptrend or downtrend. Which you tell me on the weekly. What do you think? Guys, when your price is above every moving average and they are neatly stacked, like in order, like that's the 8, 20, 34, 50. That's what those are. That's 100. That's the 200. As you see, they go in order, smallest to largest. That's what you want in an uptrend. That's a clear uptrend. This is Bitcoin on the weekly. That's a clear uptrend. Daily, it's also above all of these. Now they're not in the right order because it has consolidated for so long. So it's not as clear of an uptrend as it was here. As you can see, when price consolidates, the moving averages converge. That's a whole nother story. Either way, guys, I don't want to be a bear. That's a whole other lesson. That's not a story. It's a whole other lesson. I don't want to be a bear, y'all, but we have to resist here. In my opinion, we're not just like, if you're new, we're not just going to blast through this today and go to 75,000, 76,000, 77, 78. It's not going to happen today. I could be wrong. I mean, I've been wrong before. It's not happening today, okay? But this is very exciting. This is very exciting. Don't get me wrong. Really is. How we do this? Oh, what's up? Real time, folks. Interesting. So, guys, yeah, we're popping over here. Shit is popping. If you ask me, I'm going to tell you. These opens and close. So Bitcoin closed at $73,084 on this day, March 13th, 2024. It opened at 71,000. It opened. Yeah, hold on. We closed at 73,084 and we opened at 73,086. So guys, that was, and then we just had a correction immediately then. Only other time we got close was about a month later, April 8th. We had a high intraday 72,756, but we closed at 71,6. So we closed a good $1,000 below the high of the day, and then we were not able to get even close until these levels here. And guys, so it's been a while since we've been here. That's March, y'all. That's mid-March. Seven and a half months later. Okay? It's wild. We need to see some kind of consolidation to ensure that we don't just dump as quickly as we just pumped. I want to see something like this. I don't even care, y'all. I don't like something like, we need to see this for a little while. Okay? Then we get over here, and it's boom, something like that. Okay. To me, that makes way more sense. I mean, seriously, if it's February and we're at 83K, that makes perfect sense to me. So We're not going to 83K tomorrow. This is just my take. We all have different takes. Obviously, this is my take because this is me talking to you. All right, guys? Silva Dollar, David Silva, the Crypto Sasquatch, the Alaskan Assassin, the Nasal Capacitor. That's me, guys. We're signing off, all right? Let's check a few other prices here. Sol 180, FET $1.35. MicroStrategy 259, NVIDIA 141. I got I'm invested in CleanSpark and BitDigital, 2 Bitcoin miners. BitDigital is 450, CleanSpark 1254. Not much up today. Interesting that BitDigital is up 5% nearly, and CleanSpark is pretty much flat. If you're in any of those, let me know. Leave a comment below, and I will do a full-blown analysis. Because as you can see, I do have levels. I do have areas marked. Yeah, we'll talk about it. But right now, what we're talking about, the story of the day is Bitcoin 73K. What's it going to do here? Do we break through and then come back and consolidate above? Or are we going to consolidate here and below? Are we going to dip? We're going to have a little correction. Guys, even this, if we were to correct this far, it's 5%. It's 5.5% if it did something like this. So like 6%. Y'all just be ready for something like that. Because it happens all the time. So, yeah. Stay vigilant. Stay strong. Stay powerful. Stay zen. Guys, remember to breathe. Remember to breathe. We're not getting emotional. We were here 4 years ago. We got here right before the cycle. Right when the cycle started. Right after the halving. We got emotional. We were not ready. We will be ready this time. Let's go. Let's get it.